In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake master cylinder on this BMW X5. This is going to be located on the driver's side near the firewall. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this cover. Use a 13mm socket. These are wing nuts. You just turn them about 90 degrees. Just loosen them. Once you get those all loose, grab this cover, pick it up, and it just comes out of the way. Take the cap off, set that aside. Using a fluid transfer pump, you want to take out as much brake fluid as possible. All right, that's good. Now take the cap, put the cap back in. And disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab, slide that off. There's a wire that goes right in front. Take that off, out of the way. Now we're going to crack these lines free. Use a 12mm line wrench. Just crack those free. And before we take those out, we can take the bolts off, or the nuts. Take those nuts off. Using a 13mm socket, take the nuts off. Take that nut off. And you have one down below. I'm going to take that one off as well. Take that one off. And we can take the lines off. You're going to lose a little fluid, so if you want to put some rags, put some rags underneath. Pull those out. A little more, dripping a little more fluid. You pull the lines off. Grab the master, and you'll pull it forward. Just get it past the lines. And there it is. Normally you're going to bench bleed the master cylinder, but in this case the fluid comes out very fast when the master cylinder is just full, so we're going to bench bleed it in the car. So take the master, I'll just line this up. Just push the lines down. Make sure the seal's on the back. Push that in place. There we go. Now put the nuts on. Now tighten these down. torque these nuts to 17 foot-pounds. That's good. Now with the bleeding adapters, we have some tubes that go into the master. Take the cap off. And you're going to put the tubes back in the top here. And then you add some brake fluid, the correct type. It says on the cap what type to use. This vehicle requires .4 brake fluid. All right, that's good. You can see the brake fluid coming out of the lines. You want to have an assistant pump the brake pedal for you, nice and slow. Now we're going to take a hood prop rod and compress the brake pedal. And you want to have this up against the seat. Now we can take these bleeder hoses off, put the cap back on. Just loosen up the adapters. We're going to lose a little bit of brake fluid, but it shouldn't be too bad. Put some rags underneath. Oh, that popped off. It's okay. Take the fitting off. Pull those out. Then we can pull the brake lines. Get those lined up. Get those started. All right, get these close. All right, tighten these down so they're almost tight, and then we'll just back them up a turn, half turn, and we're going to fill this up. Make sure there's plenty of fluid in it. Put the cap back on. Then I'm going to take the hood prop off the pedal. A little bit of fluid's going to leak out there, and then we'll snug these down. Now you can take the hood prop off. All right, snug those down. With an assistant in the car, you want to have them hold down on the brake pedal. I'm just going to crack this free. Let some of the air out, and then close it up. You can do it on the back as well. Get some of the air out, close it up. Then you have them let off the brake pedal and then push it down again. And we'll crack it free again. Get some more air out, close it up. And that's good, no more air. Then you can let off the brake pedal. I'll snug those down. Now I'll torque these fittings to 11 foot-pounds. All right, that's good. Now take the wire, re-secure that, connect the connector. Then you want to top it off. And top off the brake fluid. Fill it up to the max. There you go. Put the cap back on. And take some brake parts cleaner and you can clean up the area where some of the brake fluid might have gotten. There you go. You can wipe it down with a rag. Now we're going to go to each individual caliper, starting with the right rear, and then you're going to go to the left rear, and then the right front, and then the left front. We're going to follow that procedure. With the vehicle raised up and all four wheels off, we're on the right rear. Take the cap off the bleeder screw. You can move this wire using a 11mm wrench over the bleeder screw. Then I'm going to use a hose just to keep it clean. And then we're going to have an assistant inside the vehicle pump the brake pedal. Go ahead nice and slow 3 times. And then once they're holding, we're going to open up the bleeder screw. The brake fluid's going to come through the hose. You can see some bubbles. And close it up. All right, go ahead, pump it again 3 times, slow. Open it up again. No bubbles. We'll close that up. Fluid looks clean. Take that off. Go ahead and let off the brake pedal. Snug that up. Put the wire around the cap. Push that cap on. Use a little brake parts cleaner. Clean up the mess. You can have a drain bucket underneath, just so you don't drip it all over the place. And then you're going to do the same procedure on the left rear caliper. And top off the brake fluid. Now we're going to be on the right front caliper. You want to pop the cap off. Put the 11mm wrench on. And the hose. Have the assistant pump. Go ahead and pump the pedal 3 times. Hold it, and then open the screw. Close it up. We didn't get any bubbles there, but go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Open it up. Again, no bubbles. We'll do it one more time. Open it up. That looks good. Close that up. Go ahead and let off. Make sure that's snug and put the cap on. Little brake parts cleaner, clean that up. After that, then you're going to go to the left front wheel and do the same procedure. And top off the brake fluid. After that, if the brake pedal still feels soft or the fluid is dirty, you can start the procedure from the beginning and do it again. Then you want to put all 4 wheels back on the vehicle and torque those to 103 foot-pounds. I'm going to take the cover, line that back up. Push it in place. And just tighten down the wing nuts. Just twist it like you're tightening it, 90 degrees. There you go. Now that you're done, you can take the vehicle for a road test, double check for any leaks, and adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.